we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Apple has so far declined to comment on the news, but experts have suggested the noise could be something called coil noise, or coil whine. This occurs when the processor is put under heavy duress, such as streaming high-quality video, or when lots of apps are left running on a device.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.